We all want the best for our children, and knowing their nature would be your first step to plan a perfect journey for them. DNA plays a key role in your children's nature. But how much do you know about their DNA? 22+ Talent Gene Test aims to unlock the inborn messages of your children by revealing their DNA sequence. With only a swab inside the mouth, we can tell you the 48 traits of your children in health, personalities, and talents. How does it work? Step 1. Order your test. Step 2. A sample collection kit will be sent to your place as requested. Step 3. Take out the buccal swabs from the kit and collect your sample. Step 4. Mail your sample to our laboratory. Step 5. Your sample will be processed and the report will be ready in 3 weeks' time. 22+ Talent Test empowers you to design a customized parenting plan for your children. We believe every child deserves a better planning. Please visit 22plus.com or call 2697-1115 for more information. Act now and order your test.